Oh yeah, y'all. It's the next day. We got us some Anglička slanina, which is English bacon. Shaved. I don't know why they put that in English there, but anyway. It's summer. It was hotter than hell. It was 35 Celsius. It's like, what, 93 degrees? That's some of that bacon, you know. In Europe, Czech Republic, you can eat the bacon just like that. Can't do that with American bacon, man. I'll give you the shits. I'll really give you the shits. But, man, tell you what. Tonight I got some brioche buns. I was supposed to make burgers. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make some hot ham and cheese. When I moved from California, when I was 14, Fayette County, Georgia, on the lunch menu, they always had hot ham and cheese, and they had it at Hardee's too. Fast food. Hot ham and cheese was big down south. We didn't eat that in California, but that's one of the things that I always liked. The hot ham and cheese from Hardee's. Drive through, and yeah, man, high school lunch, man. Middle school, or junior high. Call it junior high in Georgia. But yeah, 85. So we're going to start with the bacon. I got some good buns. I got some brioche buns. Start with that bacon. I got cheddar cheese from England. The good shit. Smell that bacon. It's popping away. Alright. Probably overdoing it a little bit. Turn down that heat. But as we see here, we got Kadenska peczenie. This is a really good, always very cheap. One of my favorite České, I don't know how my that's on. Cechovní Normy. This is, officially Czech ham. It's good, and 90% meat. Then we got the British cheddar, mature, and oh man, these burger buns, these burger brioche buns are outstanding. I'll toast that brioche bun a little bit in the bacon fat. Well, we're going to do it the southern way. Like in Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, South Carolina, Mississippi. Wish I could show you all everything now, but that's what the bun looks like. It's going to be good. It's going to taste like Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, South Carolina, Mississippi. Now y'all, we got to layer this southern sandwich. The southern, oh yeah. So we're gonna layer it. Put a little bacon on there too. I know Benjamin, he's gonna be loving this. Good. Get you some of that. So I can just get some. Alright. Oh man. You cannot beat this English cheddar now. You know you want some of that. I better put some extra cheese on there, man. I need to put more bacon on there. Okay, let's go. More bacon. Some more of that cheese. Eat this fine morsel. Oh yeah, man. Okay, one more layer. Benjamin's gonna think he's died and gone to heaven when he eats this. Remember, y'all remember, I used to get this all the time in the 1980s. I moved from the Bay Area, San Jose, to Fayette County, Georgia, when I was in junior high and high school. Hot ham and cheese. Gonna be hot. So I just flipped it. I just done flipped it. If you want some of that burnt cheddar on there, you've gotta have you some of that. You best have you some of that, that's for show. Faux show. There it is. That is. Now we're gonna wrap it up and let it set. Let it set. Let it all become one. Yes, sir. You bet your britches this is gonna be good. You best know it. Here, it's like a Hardee's. Hot ham and cheese from the 1980s. Let's sit there. I gotta make another one though. I'm gonna get some of that and get some more.